Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the intricate world of Trello's built-in search function. Now, let's get started. Open your Trello and look at the top right-hand corner of the dashboard. You'll see a search bar. This is where the magic happens. The reason we start here is because Trello's search function is a powerful tool that can help you find any card, board, or member in a jiffy. Type in your keyword. It could be a project name, task, or a team member's name. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is scanning through all your cards and boards for that exact match. This helps us because it saves us the time of manually searching through each board. Next up, press Enter. Trello will now display all the relevant results. You'll notice that the results are categorized into cards, boards, members, and labels. This categorization helps us because each type of result is grouped together, making it easier to find exactly what we're looking for. Now that we've got our results, let's refine them. Maybe you have too many results, or you're looking for a card from a specific date range. To do this, use Trello's advanced search operators, basically special commands that filter your search results. For example, type due day to find cards due within the next 24 hours. The reason we do this is to narrow down our search and find precisely what we need without unnecessary scrolling or clicking. Let me explain why this matters. With so many tasks, boards, and team members, it's easy for things to get lost in the shuffle. But by mastering Trello's search function, you can ensure that you'll always find what you need when you need it. And there you have it. You've just mastered Trello's built-in search function. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep exploring, keep searching, and before you know it, you'll be a Trello Search Pro. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.